COVID-19 pandemic, health at higher risk for underprivileged children. COVID-19 has created a terrible situation in the world today. Each and every section of the society is getting equally affected by this virus. The COVID-19 outbreak has led to massive destruction to the economy and the lives of the poor and underprivileged people. The underprivileged children are the ones who are suffering the most as the COVID 19 outbreak has congested all the social activities. The COVID 19 outbreak has left people with no choice but to stay in their homes so that they don't get affected by the virus. As the number of cases increases day by day, a major chunk of the population is unable to fulfill their basic needs. They are not in a position to isolate or distance themselves and are deprived of food and essential safety measures. Many children relied on the meals that they used to get from schools or NGOs, but since the lockdown has been imposed all around, everything has come to an end for these children. The unprecedented lockdown has stung millions of poor children, leaving them in a horrible situation as it has resulted in the loss of livelihood, food, shelter, and basic needs. Closure of Government Healthcare Center. India is one of the 193 countries that are signatories to the UNCRC, which is United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child. These UNCRC include multiple rights for the children. One of the main rights is promoting healthy lives, addressing survival, nutrition, and healthcare services. Each and every child deserves a healthy childhood where they receive timely immunizations, access to healthcare facilities, adequate nutrition, and proper monitoring and care. The Government Healthcare Center plays a major role in underprivileged children's life. These children are directly dependent on these centers for their any kind of health issues. But due to the pandemic, some of these government hospitals are utilized for COVID-19 cases. Some of these are closed due to the lockdown in all over the India. Shortage of such facilities affect poor people and underprivileged children the most. The lack of such health facilities results in children suffering from recurring diseases, stunted growth, and in extreme cases even death. In the current situation, lowered immunity is a serious area of concern among underprivileged children as they face an acute shortage of necessary utilities and hygiene supplies. Suspension of school midday meal. The midday meal program is the famous name for the school meal programs in India. It involves the provision of meal or lunch at free of cost to the school children working on school days. This program would also help in providing nutrition to the underfed and undernourished children in slum and rural areas. Under the scheme, students studying in the classes 1 to 5 are given 100 grams of rice, while those till 8th class are served 180 grams of rice along with the vegetables. Students are also given eggs, fruits, and milk. Children from financially weaker families depended on the scheme to get the much needed nourishment. With schools closed due to the COVID-19, children from financially weak families are finding themselves at a disadvantage. Besides facing difficulties with online classes, they have been denied the nutritious food they got as part of the midday meal scheme. Loss of family income led to the problem of malnutrition. Researchers at the University of Chicago and the Center for Monitoring Indian Economy said that a majority of Indian households in a report decreased in income during the lockdown. Their survey covered nearly 6,000 households across the 27 states in the month of April when the lockdown has begun. The survey found that 84% of the households reported declines in income since the lockdown began, which coincided with a spike in joblessness and a drop in labor force participation. 88% of rural households surveyed said that they have suffered loss of income in contrast to 75% of the urban households. The unpredictable global, social, and economic crisis stimulated by the COVID 19 pandemic causes serious risk to the nutritional status and survival of underprivileged children in low income families. Of particular concern is an expected increase in child malnutrition, including wasting due to steep declines in household incomes and changes in the availability and affordability of nutritious foods and interruptions to health, nutrition, and social protective services. Overall, it is concluded that no one knows how long the situation is going to be continued and what will be its implications for children living in poverty. This small virus can't stop these underprivileged children from getting facilities that they deserve. For this, we have to do something, but what can we do? As an individual, we have to take up to give support by way of financial help as well as other resources. NGOs are the best way to reach out to these underprivileged children. NGOs empowering innocent children and giving them a better life. Such NGOs get a lot of support from the governmental bodies and individual donors. This community needs your support. You can help them by making an online donation. The NGO has been working very hard to prevent child trafficking, abuse, illiteracy, and malnutrition in the country. Donations encourage the NGO's relief efforts and ensure that poor children are granted an easy access to education and healthcare facilities. Make a donation and help to change the country's future.